Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I sewed this ACO card right here, so come follow me right now and join me in the packing of this ACO card. I want to first wrap this in some pink tissue paper. This ACO card comes with corner protector stickers, and they did not mention via email message what color they preferred, so I'm going to pick my preference on this one. Since this is has a lot of pink, I think I like this copper rose gold color with it. I think that will be pretty with this. Not the black craft, no, not the gold, no silver. I'm gonna go with this rose gold copper. So I am going to put both of this in the cellophane wrap. I'm going to include this sticker right here with the pink here. I think it matches with the pink trees in the background, and of course like the kind of a medieval dress that she's wearing. I think that matches. So she's going with the deer, and then of course I'm including my business card right here that has all my information and social media and a QR code in the back right here, and then information about joining my email list. That's gonna go with that. Put that. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to sign this. So I didn't sign in the front because it's a small ACO card, so I'm going to sign in the back of this. And that's Invoke Art Sense by April. Signed on the back. And I'm not going to put the stickers on. I'll let the new owner do that. They will put the stickers on. And let me now put this in the cellophane wrap with the sticker I'm including and my business card in the back. All right. And I just like to tape the excess right here. Now she's wrapped up. I just need to wrap her in the tissue paper. And then if I had a bubble mailer, I would just put this in a bubble mailer, but I will use this and put this in everything in here. I'm mailing my ACO cards at a 3-ounce weight anyways because it's safer because of the machines that would actually maybe bend the envelopes. I'm going to fold this down. Package weighed 1.3 ounces and is less than the 0.25 max for the standard envelope. And here is where I'm showing you the print to PDF, how to do that. When you do save it to your flash drive to take it to the print shop. because I don't have a printer and I also don't have the thermal printer, so that's how I had to do it. And here I'm plugging in my acrylic keychain I had sourced out to be made. The mermaid wave. She's awesome. She's holographic. Check her out on eBay. Thank you. Goodbye.